Hello, everybody. Happy New Month. Hi, beautiful people. All right. Okay, now. Hope you guys are doing well. All right. So share this broadcast. This one will concern we won't be ladies. Share this broadcast, guys. Share this broadcast. Let's do something. Let's communicate. How we dey? Hope everybody dey fine. Hope you are doing well. Share the broadcast. Oh, now Bobby matter. Now I bring this afternoon. Bobby matter. Where all those sisters when get BB Bobby? Oh yeah. When I come, I don't show. When I share round. How una day? Share this broadcast. Let's do something. Make we just discuss. All right. So while you are doing that, let me bring my sisters and my brothers. So when I share this broadcast to who it may concern, I come in peace. I come in peace. Now peace I dey take come. So I come in peace. So we are just going to do some discussion. So let me wait. Make I bring my beautiful friends. Wagai video now. I give you do what? Wagai man, wagai. Rai video now. Okay. So all these sisters then we get natural things when God take bless us. My ladies when get BB things when God take bless us. This is going to be for us. You won't get big Bobby, you know they want me your pikin suck Bobby. Give pikin Bobby. You get big breasts, you know they give pikin suck. So this afternoon we are going to talk of how breastfeeding is important. If you know say you get belly and don't they plan say if I born, so people say if they breastfeed, breast when God give us, more we feed our children. Bobby, if you see some sister Bobby, the Bobby big, no be here. You know understand? Like me, me get small Bobby. All my children, all of them suck Bobby. You know understand? So people they feel say if they give their pikin breast, they say it go flap, it go fall like slippers. But we don't forget say this breast so they talk about. If now them brother, some brother go put straw. If now you won't give your guy go push straw. You go the straw, you go the sip am. They from straw they drown. But if they say me you give pikin, you know go one drink. Wanna hold on, just 1 minute, guys. Hold on. I come with Bobby issue this afternoon. Mommy, let me, what's the thing of this? I just thought to stay clear of it. What is the thing? No, it did not collect. It did not accept it. Where are you? I'm not sure it's the correct one. I'm not sure. Check it again. Okay. Check the carton. It's not correct. So I want to tell us the importance of breast milk. Sister, good afternoon. The reason why you have to give your pikin breast. Some people they even I don't understand. Some people go just born pikin. They go they use breast, they stingy. God give you breast, make you feed the pikin. You go say no, say you don't want give am. If I give the pikin breast, say pikin too suck, the thing go come flat. E not go flat before. The pikin too suck, the breast go come flat. The breast must flat, that na normal. I'm just trying to fix up this. Hold on, guys. We want to fix up this tablet. Make I show us something. Why it is important for you and I. Have you found it? Give me some. You're welcome, eh? It's correct now. How come you're showing? It's the same thing you gave me. Or maybe you mistakenly change it. Okay. Let me see. It didn't go, eh? It didn't go. It's not going. This is what it's showing. Maybe you change it. Check. Cross check and see. It's just remaining one. I'm not sure this is the one.
Is it condition pin?
Is it? Are you sure it's the?
Okay. Because you changed the
thank you.
Thank
you. I was even like, what's going on? So make I show una something. Make I read somewhere for una here. Okay, ma show una something. So now, what most of us not really know about this breastfeeding. This we get big breast. We know they take and feed our children. You get belly and the milk. You know the milk now you don't dey ready, so that when the baby fall out, you go see enough breast milk they feed them. See waiting here. See waiting here. They tell me now say waiting the breast milk when we talk about waiting it contain. Breast milk contains antibodies that help your baby fight off viruses and bacteria. You will not want to give your pikin breast. Go check your Google. Put some importance of breastfeeding to your baby. Google will tell you say breastfeeding it dey help to fight viruses and bacteria. You understand? And also breastfeeding it dey lower the risk of having asthma and allergies. People when get pikin, you get pikin or you get belle. You say you no go breastfeed your pikin. If you born, you don't want to make your breast flat. The breast where you won't carry and go. The reason why God give you that breast as a mother, the reason why God give you that breast, you know, say tomorrow if you born, now what you go take feed your pikin. You understand? The reason why God give us the breast, say okay, we will be women. God give us breast, say wanna carry go. The breast when you dey our chest, not before decoration. You know understand? You when you get breast, nothing can feed your pikin. You when you get breast and you get belly, you don't dey plan and you never even born that pikin. You don't dey plan say if you once you just born, ya wa bi omo nane. You dey dey wene. Ya wa bi omo nane. You ya na won. Now they go see some people. Some people go born, pikin go dey cry. Baby go dey cry. For the girl or the woman, for her to bring breast come out, feed pikin, it go be problem. Some people, children go cry. Worry bear na. I won't not take bear. Some go say they feed. Now so they forget they are feeding bottle for house. I not carry the baby feeder. I forget them. But sister, you get your breast for chest when contain natural milk, and you dey watch that pikin they cry. You know say if you even give that pikin breast, for example, say you give the pikin breast, you breastfeed the pikin. You know, according to if you go make some researches, you go see where they write and say breastfeeding they very very important. And children when they breastfeed, it they help them for their brain. If you breastfeed your pikin, if you don't want breastfeed your pikin, you go see say you are doing the pikin, that's your baby, you they do a good thing for even giving the child your natural milk. We get some women at times, and maybe they feel born say okay, one or two problems, they can't get one or two maybe how I want to call them. They feel get one or two issues. Those ones they are also good. Those ones get excuses why the doctor will tell you say don't breastfeed that child. Probably maybe that time when the mama born, the mother was sick. So the doctor will tell you say look, do not breastfeed that child, because if you breastfeed that child, you are automatically transferring something to the child. Some mama they when they get belly, some mothers, some women they did. That time when they get belly, maybe they sick one or two. You understand? Then doctor can look at now and say if you give your pikin the breast milk, you are transferring that stuff to that baby. Doctor will tell you say no. Those ones they reasonable. Those ones they okay. But say you know they sick, you they well, you they healthy, you can't born pikin. Then you say you no go give am breast. My sister, make I tell you, you know, you are not just, you not be saying that yourself, you suffer, you suffer that pikin. Omo be omo. As a woman, when I be, if you born, it is very, very important. Some people they imitate Oyibo. Oyibo they breastfeed though. Most Oyibo na them breastfeed part. Oyibo they breastfeed. Oyibo breastfeed. Some go say no. I don't want to make the breast go come for. I say okay slippers. You go to try. You go to now when you go to waka the breast go to meet your shoulders. So my darling people, my darling sisters, all those younger girls when they come up, some just get belly maybe mistakenly. Now because of say that they vex, they won't come transfer the aggression. Say this baby, if I born you, you know go suck. But make I ask us question. Some women still they'll tell you say instead of her to give that pikin breast, you rather give her to her husband or her boyfriend. Some brother their mouth na just their mouth na factory made. They are just gifted to suck bobby. Some people they na to suck breast na they dey. Breast when you suppose give your pikin make it suck, you go give am to the brother. And the funniest thing, these women when they talk, so some people when maybe they're newly born, you know, say when person born, milk go they come out, you know, you go see the men, you go even see the men say when they'll put mouth for breast, they go to suck breast with straw. You get breast, natural endowment. You get waiting God to bless you. Waiting will they take the breast they do. You get waiting God to bless you. Some people won't day Sarah. Some people won't now even extra. God give you the breast. Let me tell you something. God not give us the breast to make we take and feed brother. God knows say you go born. Now he give you. And so you are packaging when some will call the package. My sister, make I tell you, you give that pikin breast milk, you not give her breast milk. Tomorrow the breast will still fall. And if you even feed that pikin with your natural milk, if you give the pikin natural milk, it will help them, their brain. You go see say people they say children when suck and children when not suck difference in the day. You go see say automatically. Some people say pikin when suck their brain, you know, they brilliant. Everybody they get different talks, different take on this. So say pikin when suck, if you give pikin's breast, it they help him, you know, in brain go produce well. You understand? So you when prefer to give brother breast, make it suck, make it not fall. Wa continue, wa domo. Be more time when they give pikin breast make it suck. The only way as a woman when I know say you doctor go fit tell you say make you not breastfeed that child. Probably something happened. I told you before. Now something from somewhere or something I don't know. Some things fit they when be say doctor don't check for your body as a woman. Or probably that person they sick. You see some mama why they pregnant they go they sick. And they'll come diagnose something. Doctor will come find out, say, okay, this woman is suffering from stuffs like this. This woman is suffering from diseases like this. They will not tell the mother, say, madam, please don't breastfeed this child. That one, they reasonable. We also get some children, when they born premature. That time when they take the incubator, even their mama said, the doctor will still tell you, say, you are free to come and breastfeed your child. People when born, you know, premature, probably that time never reach. So because of one thing or the other, they'll say, okay, since you born this pikin premature, and they have to operate that woman to bring out the pikin so that child will be safe. Those kind of people still there. When they go hospital, go see their children, when they incubator, the doctors they tell you say you can also breastfeed your child. If you know what thing that they talk about, you suppose know say. When you go hospital and they'll tell the doctor will tell you say you giving that child your breast milk go rapid the growth of the child. The doctor will also tell you say no let's take for you everybody get children now and I know what I mean. Like me I dey breastfeed my children 11-12 months. So all my children I breastfeed them 11 months to be precise. 11 months. It gets stage when you will still reach, say, okay, they say when breast milk too much. Some people will tell you, say, now the blood, now the pikin, always a sag or you. So some people, they breastfeed reach 2 years. Me, I don't know of that one. You go see some people, they'll say baby friendly. Some go, they do baby friendly for 3 months. Some they do baby friendly for 6 months. Some they do for 1 year. You understand? Some people go tell you, say, look, Oyibo no they breastfeed. Many Oyibo when I know. Oyibo they breastfeed, oh. But we not deceive ourselves. At times, so we African women, when we be, you get the way we tell they reason something. You cannot use yourself compare Oyibo. Ebo when no more fine. Oyibo, because Oyibo them, they know say it is very, very important for a newborn baby. It is very, very important for the mother to breastfeed that child. Oyibo they breastfeed. So if you want me to Oyibo life, this breast, this my breast, so God just give me, No, mommy won't come born. I won't give pikin breast. If you not give the pikin suck, which person you won't give? You won't give that boy when we say some boys they are experts. Some are straw they take the suck milk, breast milk. Some go just push straw, they go drown. You'll see the milk go they fall for their man. Breast we supposed give pikin. Breast we supposed give pikin. Some go say fine. We also get some people when we say probably because they are single. Some people when they get the belly, the boy can't tell them say they don't want the child, and now they vex. My sister, make I tell you, waiting your papa your work and you no go fit transfer your aggression for that baby body because when you dey fuck the pikin not dey. So give her the breast milk. That breast milk is entitled to that child. And a woman your way time you put one leg go Calabar, you put the other one go Sokoto. Harder, baby harder. Yes, that you don't know say the repercussion or the results. If you don't want pikin, you not go make love. Make I tell you now something. If you when no one get belly, you know go near man. So for you talk say I don't want get belly. No, this is my breast. I want keep am. You know see this is my bobby, so I want keep the bobby. If you don't want get belly, no fuck. Yes. Always so to act before they need to be spoken to. Most especially African women. And so when no more wa. Some not go even give them the breast milk. Some go they press and throw away. Why you go they press and throw away? God give you milk, may feed your pikin, they press and throw away. Some people when be say they born premature, their children they incubator. You go see mama go see pikin. All the way feed the bottle all pure. We get what they call tira latte. Get one thing they call Italo go say tira latte. Some women go put them. They will take and take the extract the breast milk. They will take the 18 years as well. Those women, they editing work, but their brain they house. Those one are mama when sabi. I remember that time when I get my first daughter. We can't go out. I don't forget that day. I should go out. Maybe I said one entire bus. You know? So my baby can't they cry. They not they tell man. I say, if you see what I do that day, I can't go. I don't even know blessing outside in a name McDonald's. Now bring out, you see some children, the way they will tell you need the breast milk, the pikin go even disgrace you. Bring out the breast milk. When inside market, hey, if I'm not mistaken, Africa store I did that day. Now I tell the man, say, I feel sit down for your attachment. This is the attachment bag. Now I bring her, now I plug her. When the pikin don't suck finish, oh yeah, now I continue my journey. Breast milk no fit they make they give the pikin artificial milk. So we when they born, now girls when they born these days, you dey feel say no one give the pikin breast milk. You are suffering that child. Pikin when you carry for 9 months, you don't want make your breast milk touch your mouth. Healthy milk. See, breastfeeding is more healthy than cow milk. No, I so prefer other cow, my sister, because they package your breast. If you don't reach night, you give your guy. All those brother when some akinya biwa. All those brother when be say some their teeth say if you don't even roti, you go give them breast put for mouth. You don't know say for you to even give that person breast. Where is there for Bible? Where I don't know where it is written say you have to breastfeed your guy. I don't know where it is. I never see where the write on for Bible say women carry your breast and give to your boyfriend. Because some boyfriends then they get degree. Some men they get degree to suck breast. You will just the suck breast when it belong to a mama. Brother, you will see the fear God. Anyway, brother. Where we are one. So Mickey Adelekwa Unuya. Then I a side man. So you was going to see breast milk when mama supposed to. Pikin go they cry, you go they give her to the man. You see, Pikin, no, my sister, I know of one woman that time. She will tell you, say, no. Instead of me to give my baby breast, I better give am to the husband. That was what she said. I say, your own good though. He say, no, I don't want to make the breast come flat. Make I tell you, as far as say you don't get belly, as far as say you were even pregnant, the fact that you are pregnant, when woman get belly, when woman get belly, in body they change. And the breast, now, the breast milk they produce, in case we don't know. So now, the breast milk they produce, gonna naturally, that's a natural thing. The breast milk they produce, they wait for the child. That's why the milk, why it be say person will get belly, and person will not get belly, difference is there. If you get belly, you see, you press your milk, press your breast at times, milk will they pour away. If you not get belly, milk not feel. And when person get belly, you say, and when this is your breast, and when why your breast is not heavy because now that period of pregnancy. So if to say you not get belly, you for not say your breast go big. That's to show say when the child is born, the milk supposed give am to your baby, not give am to your man. Give the milk to the baby. Make it grow healthy. Not give am melu milk. Not they give a cow milk. You are not punishing you think you are punishing, you want to punish the baby. You are also punishing yourself automatically. It is good to breastfeed our children. It is good. This breast milk is the most healthiest milk. How can you born a child? A child that is just coming to life. You never even put the baby for a month. Who work for the bottom? Don't you know there are some bacteria and viruses the breast milk would have helped the child to fight? But who say? Because we don't know. Because now the brother is used to sucking your breast every time. If you suck your breast, you go be like say your head, the person head don't go, you go for another place. I beg us. If you're not ready to breastfeed your baby, not just born. If you're not ready to breastfeed your baby, not fuck, not make love. Cover them, you cover them. If you're not ready to breastfeed, don't even go there. If you're not ready to breastfeed, this is your breast. Honey, have a sleep queen. It's so you want sleep. They can't. Some people breast will come there. Yeah, what do I want? You will see before you see the sister, now in breast will first see. My sister forget. All flatty. It's going to be slippers. At the end of the day, now what you go to throw back. I will not see our grandmama. Would they see our mama? The fact that you even put your mouth. All those people when they first say they don't want breastfeed though. Now they suck for like 5 years. It's okay. Was that if they don't play, they'll still go meet mama. They won't suck. Their mama will say, go see the breast, go suck. While whenever they go, they were in Biania, we were no more. Waiting they change us. Waiting they enter most people's head. Is that what civilization or what? They say, a boy, you know. I'm no more a webo. Time! Who talking? A boy, no more. Some people will tell you, a boy, what they know. You don't say Igbo. They're not they give picking breast. Now lie. Now lie. That not lie. Or Igbo breastfeed die. Or you go inside train, or inside car, they go plug them for the picking. So if you want to use, okay, you want mutate or Igbo for you to punish your picking, you are punishing that child. Tomorrow now you go to complain, say, the child brain not open. Because that time, that's why you see people say, it is good to breastfeed. And baby friendly is very important. Some people will say they want to do baby friendly for 3 months. Some people they do baby friendly for 6 months. Some they do for 1 year. Depend on how you get the power. But the fact that what I'm really against is that when you born pikin, you know we won't give them breast milk. But when you dey house, you go give them to your guy. I don't understand. All these brother when they put mouth for breast, when they suck breast like momo, now they fear God. Now leave them for the pikin. Now leave the breast for the pikin. Because the breast milk gets many values for that small pikin body. The breast now is not meant for you. If you are that type that used to suck breast, brother, if you used to put mouth in body before, you they push straw, they suck breast. I bet when the sister don't born, leave them. You see, my sister say breast milk is good for, yes, so it's good for the brain. Sister, people don't know. Some people don't know. Some people don't know. She said she breastfeed for 6 months. Some people don't know. They prefer to give my brother. Make her ask so. Some will say, you don't say, if the man they suck your breast. If you give the brother your bobby, that means say, no, the thing they really enter head. I don't understand. Because me, I never see where they write and say, men or women, give your breast to the brother. Or women, give your breast to that man. Women, give your breast to your boyfriend. Any Bible. Any Bible at all. You know the Bible. I never see them. Okay, make I tell you now 5 advantages of breastfeeding. Let me give you just 5 advantages of breastfeeding. Make I read here for now. Make I tell you now 5 advantages of breastfeeding. That means to say the benefits of breastfeeding. Number 1 here, they tell me say breast milk provides ideal nutrition for babies. Breast milk contains important antibodies. Breast milk promotes a healthy weight. Breastfeeding may reduce disease risk. Breastfeeding may make children smarter. When I first talk at that time, so I say when you give pikin breast, the pikin they more intelligent. That means the pikin they smart. So here they tell us that breastfeeding will also make your pikin they smarter. Another thing we tell is say breastfeeding may help you lose weight. Mona, hold on, just hold on, guys. Hold on 1 minute. Hold on. Okay, my sister said she give her baby breast. You see, she give her baby breast milk for 1 year. You see, huh? So make I give you other advantages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I get 6 advantages. 6. I get 6 here. One say breast milk provide ideal nutrition for babies. Breast milk contains important antibodies. Breast milk may reduce disease risk. Breast milk promotes a healthy weight. Breastfeeding may make children smarter. Breastfeeding may help you lose weight. You understand? So it is good to breastfeed. It is very, very, very good to breastfeed because breastfeeding can help you fight off viruses and bacteria. Breastfeeding here, it lowers your baby risk of having asthma and allergia. Plus babies who are breastfeeded exclusively for the first 6 months. See, I'm not the me talking. Go. He said baby that were breastfeeded for the first 6 months without any formula have fewer ear infection, respiratory illness, and both of diarrhea. And it is true. Because that time, if you even watch, say, when you newborn pikin, these children, they get, if you born pikin, they always, they poo for their diaper, for their pampers every time. Now you can take artificial milk. You can't add them to the baby when we say he don't go toilet before. He go pour jam. There's no 2 ways about it. Pikin, because the pikin now, that baby is very, very the pikin they fragile. Anything when you put for the pikin belly that time, he go pour jam, he go run his stomach. So if you are giving the baby artificial milk, immediately the baby they just born and they give him artificial milk. That baby must purge. Pikin see they take breast milk, you see they pour. Now talk of artificial milk when sugar dey. Because artificial milk definitely go get sugar. E no get won't be say the process or the way they take manufacture them. There must be sugar, small sugar must dey. You understand? So my people, let's breastfeed our children. For these people, for these younger people, when we say they get belle, probably they will say some people say mistakenly. Some will say now unwanted pregnancies. We dey see stuffs like that. Some go say, okay, now because say she and the father of the child not there, now automatically she's not going to breastfeed that child. I've seen lots of cases. I don't see cases like that. Why you are angry because you and the father of the child went part ways, parted. You went part ways. You are no longer together. Now you are saying because now your papa, he and your papa not there again. The child, you are not going to breastfeed the child. You have to breastfeed the child. Because if you are breastfeeding the child, you are automatically helping the child. You are helping the child to grow well. You are helping the child to be smarter. Breast milk, they provide so many things, my people. So, if you get belly, you say you don't want breastfeed. Now, for you to go. You get your phone. Ask the importance of breastfeeding a baby. The importance of breastfeeding. Ask Google so that you know what you are doing. So that when that baby come life, you know what can suffer. You cannot see what you want to use the breast to do. God give you the breast. He give us. Why God come? Okay, make I ask us question. Another question when I want to ask. Why it be say when God they create human being, you know, when God make us, when we were made, we were being created. Why God give we will be women, we give us bobby, then the male breast come small. I don't know whether person can answer that question. Why it be say our breast, we will be women, our bobby is the large, and the male bobby is small? Can somebody help me to answer that question? Why is it that our breasts are different? Why it be say men not they wear brazier, men not they wear bra? We women will get baby bobby. Because God knows say when the bobby when we come life, we get the bobby gets used. Because God knows say we go born. And if you born now, God knows say now what you go take breastfeed that child be that one. Why you gonna give your boyfriend your breast, make they suck? Your pikin they hungry, they beat him. I don't see him. I don't understand. That brother is saying they enjoy. You they suck milk when you supposed give a mama, you they suck him. You are sucking, you go purge, bros, you go purge. Forget, even about that, you are going to purge. Because the milk not be for you. Instead of you to tell the guy, say, okay, no, you know, say just born. Those, most especially those ones when be say, their husband, their baby father don't leave. They not get man. They just get belly from junction. They just pick belly, now they get belly. You understand? And now when they get belly, now the next thing I say, okay, look, this baby when they come, so if I born you, you know, go suck my breast. For what your papa do me, I'm a money man in no way. Give the baby breast and stop breastfeeding your boyfriends. If you are not pregnant, if you are not breastfeeding, that one is different. Because some people they say they like her in different forms. You understand? So I will say when their breast they the brother mats, then they from here go Jerusalem. So I will say when the breast they the brother mats, they go from here go for Israel. They will there for Canaan land. They will say if the breast they the brother mats, because some people they like them differently. So I don't know how you take like them. But me, from my own point of view, as a mama when I be, even for Bible they talk and say, waiting belong to Caesar, give them to Caesar. You know, get the thing won't sweet you rich. Give the pikin, make it breastfeed first. Point if that breast milk don't stop, continue to they give the brother. Me, I not see where the right time say breast milk good for adults. You won't be brother 30-something years. You go to draw milk like mama. So this thing go to pour for you. We say they enjoy. Now lie. But rather you're just doing yourself. Now arm you they wound yourself. Because the breast milk is meant for that baby. So now those younger people when they come, you know, you just get belly, maybe mistakenly. This message is for you. Those are our young sisters them when get belly now. You know, this message is for you. Some people might be saying, okay, when they give birth, they don't have power. You know, I know because of waiting their papa, the father of the child do them. They are not going to breastfeed that child. Breastfeed the pikin. Make you let them smart. If I thought say get anything when you and the papa, you know, waiting happen between both of them. The pikin not the one that they do. So give them the breast. Make the pikin suck. Make it suck belly full. So guys, I'm going to be coming on with more videos. I tell them I say I will bring educative videos. People when you don't know the importance of breastfeeding, make I just give them the importance again before I will call them. Good evening. I just give them 5 importance. You will know one breastfeed pikin. At least maybe if you hear this one, you go change mind. Breastfeeding is very, very important to newborn babies. Breastfeeding provides ideal nutrition for babies. Breast milk contains important antibodies. Breastfeeding may reduce the risk of reduce disease risk. You know, say I tell them now before, say some children the day when they born them, you know, all children will be the same. Some children the day they will can't get bacteria. Some children the day they can't get one allergic. They'll be allergic to 1 or 2 things. You know, but if you dey breastfeed that pikin, it go help them reduce the risk of being allergic and of being, you know, from that the bacteria and what have you. And here, okay, number 3, breastfeeding may reduce disease risk. Number 4, breast milk promotes a healthy weight. Breast milk, it promotes a healthy weight. Breast milk will help the pikin gain weight. Yes, I don't see that thing. I don't really observe that in time to that number. You dey breastfeed your pikin, the pikin go add weight. It go help and gain weight. Then the last one when I go tell them that breastfeeding may make children smarter. You understand? So it's a difference. The differences may be due to physical intimacy, such as ear contact associated with breastfeeding. So, like I said before, all children are not the same, but it is very, very important that will breastfeed. And when Osalobaya Wevena, take her. When no money no get one. Yeah, then you see some sister that just get big bobby. Here we package eh. More river of here. You go there inside bus speaking go they cry. Some say that they shame. I want here for now anyway. And wherever, but you know not say if you give that pikin breast, many things they when the pikin they collect from that breast because the breast is natural. Give your pikin breast rather than giving it to brother. Brother never bath. Give the pikin breast. Make the pikin get the nutrients. These are natural nutrients. Osaloba, you know everything. Now God know they sleep. God will make the breast. Why be say as you can't get belly, the thing can't they produce milk go they produce. God knows say now the milk, now the breast milk, the two breasts. Now you need to feed the pikin for the earlier age of that child. So guys, let's breastfeed our children. It is very important. Stay blessed, everyone, and have a beautiful, beautiful Monday evening. So once again, happy new month and remain blessed. Kisses. Bye.